A DWP transformer fell on top of a South LA senior citizen's car, and now the utility is saying it won't pay for the damage.
Yeah, on your sites, Christine Lazar is joining us now with his story and why the utility says it doesn't have to cover the cost.
What is going on here?
Well, what people don't realize is like cities, municipalities, utilities, they actually have a lot of immunity from having to pay for damage, right? If Mother Nature caused it, they can say, oh, sorry, not our responsibility, which really stinks, especially if you don't have the money to cover the damage yourself, right? A senior living on a fixed income says he hasn't been able to drive his car in months after a transformer fell off a DWP pole right onto his car.
This is what happened to the Mercury.
This is Michael Young's car after this LA DWP transformer fell on it in the wee hours of the morning last February.
Now it's a total wreck.
He shot this video on his cell phone just hours after he was startled awake.
I heard something fall, and it sounded like metal grinding. And when I came outside, there were wires hanging on the ground.
The transformer tumbled off a pole that sits on Michael's property in South LA.
When it hit the trunk, it burst out my back window. And it damaged my fence, too. I had to replace the fence in the back.
That morning, Michael snapped photos of DWP crews cleaning up glass and debris. He says he was told to file a claim online to cover the damage, which he did. 4 months later, he received this letter from the DWP denying that claim, telling him he had 6 months to file a lawsuit.
I'm on fixed income, and the city knows that because I explained it to them.
Michael only has liability insurance on his car, and that means he has to pay for the damage out of pocket. He says he can't cover the thousands it would take to fix it, so he's been without a car for 8 months.
I can't go to my doctor's appointments. I can't do anything. Pick up my grandkids, and every Wednesday I go to churches and pick up different food and pass it out to the community.
We contacted the DWP, and a spokesperson told us because the transformer failure occurred as a result of severe wind and rain conditions, we are not allowed to reimburse for damages. The spokesperson went on to say that the homeowner should file a claim with their insurance instead, but that's not an option for Michael. Civil attorney Jeff Molchan says it is true that cities and utilities can claim they are exempt from paying for property damage if it was an act of Mother Nature.
However, under the government code, I believe section 835, he would have a cause of action if he could prove that the transformer pole or whatever it was that did fall on him was already in a dangerous condition before the rains came.
Michael says the transformer has been on his property since he moved in back in 1968. The DWP says the pole passed inspection in June of 2022.
Do you take their word for it?
Not always. Their inspection is only as good as the person who did the inspection. Most governmental entities deny every claim, and that gives you the permission to sue.
Now, Michael can, of course, take the DWP to small claims court, which has a limit of $10,000 in damages, but he'd need to prove that that pole wasn't maintained properly, and for that, he would need to put in a public records request to see the DWP's inspection records, which should have photos, so he can look at those. But it's really tough, and it's crazy to hear from that attorney saying, hey, they usually just deny everything.
And who has time for all that?
I know.
Right? That's such a hassle and expensive.
So hopefully someone sees this that can help Michael out, an attorney or someone who has a car sitting around or some money sitting around to help him. You know, I hate to see that he can't drive it.
And you understand the law, but it just doesn't seem fair.
I know.
Yeah.
I know.
Thank you, Christine.